The bathroom situated very lengthy. Like there was a tub right on top of a sink, right on top of the toilet. As much as I love tubs, I knew that I had to forego having a tub just to create a more cohesive environment to get myself prepared in the morning. So we did a wider shower, giving a little bit more space to the sink area, giving the toilet a little bit of breathing room.
The bathroom was also a really big eyesore when we moved in. The original window was
basic vinyl window that opens up.
So we removed that window and we put this LED panel door that now opens inward. We painted from, the bottom of the wall to the, even to the ceiling. I feel like bringing the color up that way really expands the room because it brings the eye upwards, so it feels much larger than it is. The tile in the shower was really gross, so we just painted over it. I don't know if we did it properly, but it looks good and it's lasted for a little while.
We also installed these two cabinets above the door just to store like towels, because otherwise there was nowhere to put things like towels or like extra shampoos or anything like that.
And we installed a little floor cabinet in front of the toilet to hold some of our toiletries and just like some decorative things.
This is our downstairs powder room, and I gave it a mini makeover right when we moved in. I was hankering to do the full shebang. I wanted to pull up the floor. I wanted to bring in a different vanity, and that's what I did. So this vanity was actually from Facebook Marketplace, as was the sink on top. That's one of my favorite ways to bring in a little character and a little charm. It's a pretty easy DIY, relatively speaking, and then obviously a new tile floor, new wallpaper. I just think it brings the space together. I joke that I'm gonna have a cocktail party and just serve only liquid, and they're gonna go visit. The primary bathroom was another space that needed a little bit of love, so my goal was to de-emphasize the tiles. So I painted it with a neutral color. I added a subtle pink stripe that would play off of the rug. And then again, I brought in another thrifted piece, a vanity that I retrofitted into a sink. I bleached the wood so that it was a little bit more subtle. I added really fun, bold sconces on either side of it. I swapped out the hardware, and that makes all the difference in the world. Probably for a few $100s, it feels like a totally different room, and we love it.
The biggest DIY was the bathroom. I felt inspired by New York style bathrooms. I painted all with white and leave a line with black. I added vinyl to the floor to be a black and white floor too. Then I paint the cabinet with the same green of the kitchen. My bathroom doesn't have a lot of storage, so I need to find some storage outside the bathroom. Firstly, I use shelves, and these shelves were always very messy, so I fix it creating a fake armoire, putting doors around the shelves.
I added removable molding to the door. It gives the door so much more character. One of the things that I splurge on is lighting. The ceiling light in my bathroom was just a bare light bulb, but I switched it out for this beautiful sculptural glass fixture, and that instantly elevated it. Overall, it's got this kind of modern Turkish bath vibe now that I love.
So this is our little micro bathroom, custom built in cabinets with maple countertops and our fabulous composting toilet. With the tile that's already here, with the black and the white, for me an idea that had come to me was Art Deco, and also combining that with the traditional pink of what a New York bathroom typically is. And so this was all white, all the walls above the tile, that we then painted pink. Again, so the tile could kind of pop off of and differentiate from the walls a little bit. We added these shelves in here, again, kind of with an Art Deco feel in mind. We added this towel rack, something that I really like in the vein of peel and stick. We added this fun little peel and stick in the bathroom. It's really an old medicine cabinet, so anything to cover that personally was nice. These are our hooks for our towels that we added in. And this is our spacious bathroom. You can just run laps around it.